Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious sea moss ice cream. This unique treat combines the nutritional benefits of sea moss with the creamy indulgence of ice cream. We will cover everything from preparing the sea moss to churning the final product. Get ready to create a healthy and delightful dessert that is surprisingly simple to make at home, offering a fantastic alternative to traditional ice cream. The first crucial step is preparing your sea moss. Begin by rinsing about 1 cup of raw sea moss under cold water to remove any debris. Then, soak it in filtered water for a minimum of 6 hours or even overnight until it expands significantly. Finally, blend the rehydrated sea moss with approximately 1 cup of fresh water until it forms a smooth, thick gel. This gel is the foundation of our healthy ice cream. Now, let's create the creamy ice cream base. In a high-speed blender, combine about 1/2 cup of your prepared sea moss gel with 2 cups of a liquid base, such as coconut milk or almond milk. Add your preferred natural sweetener, like maple syrup or agave, to taste. You can also include flavorings like vanilla extract or cocoa powder. Blend everything together until the mixture is perfectly smooth and well combined. The final steps bring your sea moss ice cream to life. Pour the blended mixture into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for 20 to 30 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Once churned, transfer the ice cream to an airtight, freezer-safe container. Freeze it for at least 4 hours, or until it is firm enough to scoop. Enjoy your homemade, nutritious, and incredibly delicious sea moss ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.